What am I supposed to do with this? I don't know what else to do with this. I can't mix it with another eyeshadow. I can't mix it with anything else. Well, hello everyone. Long time no see. It is so good to be sitting in my studio. I decided to do a challenge with my husband, and you and I are going to go through this together at the same time. I'm going to ask him if he could be part of my video to see if he wants to be part of a challenge that I want to do, and hopefully he'll agree. I don't know that he will. He does not want to be on, of course, on my channel on YouTube. He doesn't want to be seen. It's not his thing. He's very private. He doesn't know that I have my camera on and it's being recorded and all that jazz. Now, whether he'll do it or not, I have no idea. My gut feeling, he'll say no. We won't see his face, but you will hear his voice. Hey, honey. Hello, honey.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, can you come here for a minute, please?
Yeah, what's going on?
Well, I am working on my next video, and I was wondering if you'd like to be a part of my next video. I know you don't like to be on camera, you don't want to be on camera whatsoever, and I totally understand that. So there's this challenge called my husband, or it could be like a boyfriend or whatever, significant other. So in this case, my husband buys my makeup. The idea is for you to go out and buy me makeup, like everything that I need, everything, like from A to Z. Everything. It's as if I don't have any makeup whatsoever. You can either go to Sephora. Actually, I'd rather you not go to Sephora because it gets to be very expensive, and I don't know what you're going to buy. Not even Ulta. You're not allowed to go to Ulta either. So how about like maybe CVS or, I don't know, other drugstores.
Well, you're giving me a list, huh?
List? Sure. No, there's no list, honey. There's no list. There's nothing. It's you have to wing it. You have to just do it on your own. You cannot ask any questions.
All right, why not?
You would do it? Seriously?
Yeah, for you.
Oh, I didn't think you would do it. Seriously, I didn't think you would do it. I thought I'd be here for hours begging you to go. I'm surprised. Okay. Oh, this is cool. But I do need everything, honey. I need everything. Everything. Like, I have no makeup.
So, like, if we were on a trip and you lost your bag, something like that.
Something like that.
I have to go get you all ready to get set up. Okay.
Something like that. Like, I have nothing.
Got it. All right.
Nothing.
I'm in.
You're in?
I'm in.
Okay. I'll patiently wait for you. Tell me when you're on your way so I can time you. Please.
All right. Ciao.
Ciao.
Taking off. See you, I don't know, 30 minutes, an hour, I don't know, but I'll see you.
30 minutes? That's nothing. It takes you like 15 minutes to get there. Wherever you're going. I have no idea.
I don't know. I'm on the way.
Okay, let me just time you. Adios.
Adios.
And he's gone. Let's see how long it's going to take him.
So here's all the stuff you need.
Hi.
And that's it.
Honey, really?
Yeah.
This is like nothing.
It's
I
perfect.
expected like a larger
No,
bag.
no.
Where'd you go?
Walgreens. You said
Oh,
don't go to here or there. I went to Walgreens. I left the receipt in there too, so you can.
You did. Thank you.
You're all set.
Now I'm really nervous. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to show everyone what you bought, how
Okay,
well you
all
did.
right.
I'm sure you did very well. And then I will call you in, and actually I'm going to create a look, some kind of a look, and I'll call you in and ask you to be the judge to see how I did, or how you did.
How we did.
How
No
we
problem.
did. How we did. Okay.
All right. Good luck.
Gracias. I love you.
Love you too.
Took you, by the way, 28 minutes. 28 minutes. It's like 10 minutes to go there and 10 minutes to come back. 8 minutes? It is what it is at this point, right? So he went to Walgreens. That's very interesting. Walgreens. I haven't been to Walgreens in ages. All right, I'm not going to look in the bag. I'm just going to pick out the first item. I'm not looking at the receipt yet. Revlon Color Stay Eyeliner wears up to 16 hours in black brown. Color Stay Brow Pencil, dark brown, waterproof, 24 hours. I think he stuck with this brand. Yes, he did, it seems like. But we'll see. Revlon Mascara, Mega Multiply. I've never seen this mascara before. Blackened brown. 535 Rum Raisin Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick. Insta Blush. Revlon Insta Blush Rose Gold Kiss. It is a beautiful color, by the way. Color Stay, Revlon Color Stay 2-in-1, number 150 in color buff, compact makeup, and concealer. Oh, he missed out on so many things. That's all he got. Color Stay Revlon eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. Oh, my back is hurting me as well. Okay, because I worked out so hard today. 745. Cream eyeshadow. How am I... Oh. What am I going to create? A simple look. That's what I'll do. You know what? He did a great job, okay? Think positive. Let's see how much he spent. He spent $58.76. All right. Let me see what I can do. You know what? My husband is so conservative. He's the last person to go out and buy makeup. He wouldn't even know where to start. But, you know, I give him kudos for sticking to one brand. I was hoping he would venture out. So that's why it took him 8 minutes. Let's just get to this and get this over with. I am so excited. You know what? I don't like this. I'm going to actually use this. Oh my gosh, this is so white. Oh, I look like a ghost. Wow. Please don't take any tips from me right now. The foundation keeps on shifting every time usually this brush is so good when it comes to applying foundation, but not with this foundation. Oh gosh, I feel like it's going right through my pores. I don't even have a setting powder. He didn't get me any of that. Oh, let's use a concealer. Very light coverage, which is fine with me because I don't like heavy concealers. Okay, let's put on this eyeshadow. What am I supposed to do with this? I don't know what else to do with this. I can't mix it with another eyeshadow. I can't mix it with anything else. This eyeliner is okay. Oh boy. Oh. Okay, I gotta make this work. I gotta make it look really good. I'm a little frustrated with what I have to work with. Let's work on the brows. Oh, this pencil is so thick. Oh, it is dark. It's dark brown. Actually, it'll probably go with my hair better than having a lighter brown because I dyed my hair a couple days ago and it went darker than I expected. I used a demi-permanent. And I haven't used demi-permanent in ages, so I forgot how dark it gets. Because demi-permanent tends to go darker on my hair than the actual shade. And I forgot to get like 1 to 2 shades lighter, which is fine because this will wash out. Not worried. My eyes are getting so red. The eyeliner is not agreeing with me. Let's put on some mascara. Awful mascara. Don't buy this mascara. You know what I think he did? I think he just went to the closest brand that was by the cashier or by the entrance. What do I have left? Blush. Oh my gosh, this blush is so light. This is a highlighter. It is not a blush. Blush. Oh, this is horrible. Revlon, what are you guys thinking? This foundation is like settling. Oh, I cannot wait to see what this looks like on camera. Okay, the last thing that I have left to use is the lipstick. Well, this is a beautiful color. Let's see how it looks on. Not too thrilled about this challenge at all. At all. Everything sucks. All this makeup sucks. Even the lipstick. I don't like the lipstick. At all. And my eye is killing me. I need to take like this makeup off so bad. But before I do that, I need to call my husband. Wait until you see this beautiful look.
I did good, huh?
You did great.
Look a little white.
Oh, I look a little white? You think? I love you. You're just a wonderful husband. I said I need everything.
I got
So
everything.
you missed a primer. You missed, let me ask you this before I go through the list of things that you missed. Why did you stick to this one brand? Was it closer to the entrance or was it closer to the cashier register?
Well, no. Here's what I did. I went in and I saw 3 or 4 brands, and I thought, I don't remember the brand I got. Was it
Revlon.
Revlon. Okay, well, I thought Revlon's a pretty, good product. Stayed in the Revlon deal, and I just went everything Revlon, and I figured I got everything that they
Yeah, but
actually did.
sometimes Revlon and some other brands have like Revlon, or let's just say Revlon section, and then they have another Revlon section, like it's a continuation. You probably just stuck to one section, so you missed out on powder.
Well, how would I know there was other sections?
Well, it's next to it. The section
No,
is.
it wasn't.
Oh.
No, I was right there. And I don't know, I've never done this before, so.
Well, obviously, I've never done this before. Okay, so let me just go through what you missed out. You missed out on contouring the powder. You missed out on
Never heard of it.
a setting powder, or like, just a powder, eyeshadow primer. And what is this eyeshadow?
Eyeshadow primer?
Why don't you get like an eyeshadow palette?
I don't know. Just pick a color.
Okay, and then the blush. Can I just show you something?
Well, I have an idea. Why don't
What?
we stick with you buying makeup?
Honey, I had a hard time putting this on. It kept on shifting all over the place.
But you throw some terms at me I've never heard about this and that. I don't know what the hell this big is.
Well, honey, when you walked up to the Revlon station, a Revlon wall of
Central.
beautiful makeup, Revlon Central, you saw everything, okay? They have setting powder, they have primers, they have eyeshadow primer, they have...
Whoa. These are all terms I've never heard. Are you
Yeah,
kidding
but
me?
that's why you had to go through every,
Well,
like...
I stayed right in the Revlon department right
I
there.
think what happened is that you missed the next section. You just didn't
Well,
really...
there was like 3 of the brands. And
There's
so,
actually more than 3 or 4. There's
well,
like...
yeah, but I mean,
Oh, honey, I love you. You did a great job. Great job.
As much as I apparently blew this assignment, you still are beautiful.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, honey.
Call me when we go back and
Nope.
another time, okay?
Okay. I love you.
I love you too.
My eye is killing me.
Well, we should file a lawsuit against Revlon. Don't forget, you know what business Revlon's in?
Oh, you told me. Wait, Hope?
They're in the business of selling hope.
The business of selling hope. But that's every cosmetic company.
But you don't need, you're
Not
the
just
person that
Revlon.
doesn't need it because you're, that's what people hope to be there. You're there.
Oh, I
I
love
have to
you.
go.
Thank you so. You have to go. Yeah, go ahead. I know you have work to do. You can close the door, please, while I finish filming my...
That's pretty good.
Thank you, honey. I love you. You're the best. Okay, I need to go take this makeup off, you guys. This is not something I want to keep on any longer. I am proud of my husband, but I'm disappointed. I think the worst product that he bought, I don't know. I don't know if it's this eyeshadow or the foundation, which doesn't say foundation, it's makeup and concealer. If it were Halloween, it's great. I'll be a ghost, but it's not Halloween. Well, you know what? What does he know about makeup? Nothing. And the fact that he went out and did this for me just warms my heart. Let's just say that, warms my heart. I'm glad he did this. So I need to go and take this makeup off before it settles into my pores because I know it is as we speak. And this blush, holy mola guacamole. Really. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Until next time. I don't know that I'll ever have my husband do a challenge with me again. I think he's done. That's it. He's fired. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day, and yeah, I just can't get over this look. So anyhow, have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.